I own property in Merida, paid off, no mortgage, low overhead. But when I first started looking at places closer to the coast, I kept hearing the word Fideicomiso, and it sounded intimidating. So I took the time to learn it properly, and now I want to share what I wish someone had explained to me in plain English. Welcome to Real Expat Finance, practical budgets and relocation plans for Americans and Canadians moving south safely and affordably. Today, I'm breaking down the Fideicomiso process in simple terms so you can understand how foreigners actually own beach or coastal property in places like the Yucatan. The Fideicomiso is basically a bank trust. Because Mexican law says foreigners can't directly own property within 50 kilometers of the coast, a Mexican bank holds the legal title in a 50-year renewable trust. You get all the same rights as a regular owner. You can live in it, rent it out, sell it, or pass it to your kids. The bank is just the legal holder on paper. Here's how it actually works step by step. First, you find the property you want. Once you're serious, you hire an independent notary and a good real estate lawyer. Never use the one the seller recommends. They'll check the title, make sure everything is clean, and guide you through the process. Next, the bank you choose, usually Bancomer, Banamex, or Scotiabank, reviews everything and sets up the trust. You pay the setup fee, sign the documents at the notary, and the bank becomes the official owner, while you keep full control through the trust. The whole process usually takes 30 to 60 days if everything is in order. Now, the costs. Setup is typically $1,500 to $3,000 total. That includes bank fees, notary, lawyer, and appraisal. After that, you pay an annual maintenance fee of about $300 to $600 to keep the trust active. It's not cheap, but it's a one-time investment that protects your property for 50 years, renewable for another 50. What to watch out for? Don't rush. Some sellers or realtors will pressure you to use their people or skip steps to close faster. Always hire your own independent team. Also make sure the trust is set up correctly so you can sell or inherit without headaches later. Finance tip: the Fideicomiso is actually a smart long-term move. Once it's done, you own real coastal property with full rights, and the extra peace of mind is worth the upfront cost. Many people I know say it's one of the best financial decisions they made when moving to Mexico. This is based on what I've seen and experienced living here. Not legal or financial advice. Real estate laws and processes change. Always work with a licensed Mexican notary and an independent lawyer you hire yourself. Do your own research and consult professionals before spending any money. If this video made the Fideicomiso feel less scary, hit like and subscribe. We'll keep breaking down more of these important topics. Comment below. Have you ever looked into a Fideicomiso, or what part of buying property in Mexico worries you most? I'll reply. Thanks for watching Real Expat Finance, safe travels and smarter moves.